Alright, we're working on the 1992 Dodge Dakota LE 4x4. And I'm putting on new brake shoes in the back. The side hasn't been done yet. I'm replacing these and the drum there, okay? And I actually used the other side to look at, and I cleaned up the old parts and I used, the hardware. I got the new nice thick shoe on there over here. Got that in. But the thing that might really help you if you watch this video, what I did is to hold this shoe up into place so I could put this piece on where that red spring is. I hooked that into there and then I wrapped it up around that. So that was basically the red spring. But of course you can't use the spring because it's got all that pressure. But I used this to hold my shoe in place while I put that on. And I just used the vice grips. I got the fancy tools, and really, even though I got, the fancy deal you put on here and all that, I still just use vice grips. Works perfectly good. Gets the job done. So there you go. It's nice and clean. All the parts are in place. Should be working good. And the new drums are here. They're still in the box. I'll do that next. So I'm making sure the drum fits on there will be next. And if it does, then we'll put some fancy paint on it and let it dry. So this is John Rudy with Rudy Racing, signing off.